Rolling gate is a lot of garage mall. A favorite kind of door. It's easy to switch on and off. It doesn't take up space. Very easy to use. Zhongtuo Australian-style rolling gate. The production process of the molding machine is very simple. It relies mainly on two kinds of machines: forming machine and electric edge sewing machine. Pass the material through a multi-section press roller on the machine. The material is cold formed with high strength, according to the set size. Cut with a double-edged knife. Guaranteed multi-wave front cut off. The type does not deform. The product can be firmly bonded and not easy to fall off in deformation. The corners are smooth. A perfect finish is guaranteed. Through the electric edge sewing machine series splicing, it forms the doorpiece of the rolling shutter door. This is how users in Saudi Arabia use it.
Thank you.
Zhongtuo cold bending makes production easier.